This is for the homework assignment for the Arduino class, uh, episode 20. This is a picture of the circuit, and that the program will run. The homework assignment was to blink the LED red, green, blue, cycle it as many times as the user inputted. And so this is the software, or the program, or the sketch. I identified the variables, and then I set the pins and started the serial printer, and then I've asked for prompted for an input and waited for the person to input, and then I created an if statement to check to see if the number was above zero, and then I wrote the actual program. It prints an error if it's not above zero, and then here's the actual where it's running the program, and then I used I for the index, and at the end it prints, and then I have at the end, if it's above the user input, it sets the pin to 0, 0, 0, which is off, and then it terminates and it prints your run has ended. So I'm going to input now 5, and you'll see that, start the program here. Okay, it's asking me for the number of cycles, so I input 5, and it's going to start. It tells me I entered 5. You can see it's counting down, and you can see that it's blinking through, and you can see up here it's actually printed out your end has ended. Now I'm going to enter a 0, and you can see error, enter a whole number above 0. And I'm even going to check for a negative number. I'm going to enter a -1. And you can see that it printed out that error. And I just approve, I'm going to enter 0 again. You can see that it doesn't flash at all. So anyway, this is for the Arduino episode 20 homework assignment.